Sometimes it is quite difficult to get data set in the form of Excel file or CSV, and it is quite easy to get data like AdventureWorks database that you might had in your SQL Server Management Studio. For example, we have here databases, and then we have AdventureWorks DW 2012, and here you can see a lot of tables. And in this video I will tell you how we can export data from these tables to Excel file or in CSV format. So what we can do is it's very easy to export data from SQL tables to CSV format. For this we need to write a very small SSIS package. So what we have to do is we just need to open Visual Studio, and then you can just click new project, and here you have to select integration services, and in the integration services just click the integration services project and click OK. And here in the toolbox we have data flow tasks, execute SQL tasks, and a lot of other things. So what we need to do is just drag and drop data flow task here, and just double click, and on the data flow tab we just need to drag and drop OLEDB source. Just drag it here, and then we just need to right click, edit, and here we need to make one connection here. Just click new and connection to the database. So I had already made this connection. If you don't have any connection, just like in the first time the window will be like this. You just need to click new, and here you have to write the server name of your SQL Server Management Studio. So this is my server name, and then we have to choose here different databases that are available here. We just need to choose AdventureWorks DW 2012. Just click on the test connection. Connection is fine, successful, and then we need to click OK. And then we have to choose here a name of the table or the view. So in our case we have one table. For example, we are interested in dim employee table. So I am preparing this data set for the upcoming video that will be on parent-child hierarchy. That's why I need to get data from the dim employee table. So here you can click on the preview, and this is the data: employee key, parent, employee key, and lot of others columns. Click close, and then we need to click OK. After this, so OLEDB data source has been prepared. Now we need to go to the other destination, and we need flat file destination. So we just need to drag and drop here, and just click the OLEDB source, and then we make a connection here, this one. So now the connection has been prepared, and now we need to work on the flat file destination. Just double click, and here we have to click new. So here you can see different format options here. Just click on the first option, delimited, and click OK. And now we have to provide the file name. Like here you can see select a file and specify the file properties and the file format. So click browse, and we can just make another file here. For example, we just need to create one empty CSV file. So we can write here export.csv, just right click because still the format is text. So edit, save as, all, and we need to click export. See here, previously it was export.csv.txt. So we can write here exported.csv, and that's it. So just click here CSV file, and here it is the empty CSV file exported. Just double click. New input file was selected. Yes, maybe you can also have a look here. These are the columns. In the advanced tab we can see different columns that are coming from the source file, source table, and here is the preview. Click OK, and once it's done, you can click here mapping, and just have a look here if all the columns have been mapped correctly, like employee key to employee, they say input table input columns that are coming from the SQL table, and this is the destination column that are coming from the CSV that we had already created CSV file. So if the input and destination columns have been matched perfectly, then it is done. So we need to delete employee photo because let's do it. Let's click OK, and see, we are getting some error. So the error is the data type for the flat file destination. Input destination is about employee photo. The format of the data type for the employee photo is not able to save in the CSV file. So we need to delete. So just double click here, mapping. So we just need to go here in the input. So input column you will just click ignore and click OK. Now the error is gone. So now the connection is there. This is the source, this is the destination, everything is there. So we just need to click here debug and start debugging. And see, it is successful. Both the source is okay and the destination is fine. So it is saying that 296 rows has been copied, exported from OLEDB data source to the flat file destination. Let me show you the newly created CSV file. This one exported. Click here. So we have this file here, but the problem is there is no header available. So we just need to click, and we have to create one more CSV file here. So this is the new export CSV, and here we have to click here stop, double click here, and so we have to click here new, and then here you can read like my connection is optional, and we have to click here, we have to choose CSV file, new export, and then we have to click here column name. So we in the prior steps we missed this option, column names in the first data row. Just click OK, and here you can see the preview. Click OK, and this is the mapping, so this is also fine. Click OK, and now we need to click debug, start debugging. So 296 rows has been transferred. New exported, just click here, and here you can see we are getting employee key, parent employee key, and all the other columns. So this is how we can export data from SQL to CSV or the other formats.